Foldable machine, convenient for transportation and storage. Installing extension rod. Adjustable extension rod from 1.1 m to 1.65 m. Installing the vacuum hose. Installing sanding paper. Connect with vacuum cleaner. Slide to turn on. Soft start function. Adjust the variable speed from 600 to 1500 RPM. The brush segment enhance the dust collection efficiency, as well as protect the wall surface. Pivoting head swivels for sanding walls and ceilings. Y-shape adapter to hold the machine. Sanding the corner. Sanding the ceiling. After finishing the work, clean the drywall sander before storing it.